Good day everyone, I am Cherry Joy Caparas from BSTM3B, and this is the continuation of my reflection in Operation Management. Chapter 6, Operation Strategy in the Tourism and Hospitality Industry. In order to maintain sustainability, profitability, and excellent customer experiences, the dynamic and highly competitive tourist and hospitality sectors need efficient operational solutions. Operational plans are intended to improve service quality, enhance resource use, and promote business growth. In the hospitality and travel industry, maximizing efficiency, improving customer satisfaction, and optimizing service delivery are the main goals of an efficient operating strategy. Key elements of this strategy include using technology for faster booking and guest management, using sustainable methods to apply to eco-aware tourists, ensuring stable service quality through employee training. In addition, inventory, control, dynamic pricing, and effective resource allocation are essential to managing operational expenses. In order to improve your visitors' experiences, the industry puts a high value on labor flexibility in due to changes in demand and forms partnership with regional suppliers and travel companies. Furthermore, navigating risk and maintaining competitiveness in this highly competitive field requires strong risk management techniques and capacity to adjust to the changing market circumstances. Next is Chapter 7, Quality Management and Control. Establishing high standards of service and client satisfaction is the key objective of quality management and control in the hospitality and tourism industry. Businesses may find areas for improvement and assure excellence across all touchpoints by using clear service standards and ongoing monitoring, which includes customers' feedback. A key component of quality control is staff training, which ensures that workers are prepared for fulfill services standards. Keeping excellent service and improving the customer satisfaction are made possible by regular training campaigns, assets of performance, and giving employees the freedom to address problems immediately. Ongoing inspections of operations and facilities also ensure dedication to safety and health regulations. The continuous monitoring of service delivery is made possible by technological innovations like property management systems, which assist companies in quickly solving problems and maintaining a high standard of quality throughout their operations. The next one is Chapter 8, which is Budget. In the tourism and hospitality industry, a budget is a financial plan which helps companies in measuring their financial performance and allocating resources effectively. It includes estimating various expenses like personnel, marketing, supplies, maintenance, and utilities in along with expecting unexpected revenue from reservations, services, and events. Businesses can optimize spending and make sure that resources are allocated to essential operating areas by setting clear financial targets. Strategic planning is also supported by a well-crafted budget which aids companies in setting priorities for projects that support long-term objectives like growth, boosting customer service, or investing in new technology. A budget is required for assessing financial health and maintaining sustainability in addition to its function in allocating resources. It gives organizations a performance standard by allowing them to compare planned and actual income and expenses. Regular budget reviews helps defining areas that may require changes, such as reducing expenses, money transfer, or investments in unproductive areas. Monitoring a budget allows companies to make well-informed decisions, enhance financial management, and react proactively to market changes. All of these help promote long-term growth and profitability. Next one is Chapter 9, which is productivity. In the hospitality and tourism industry, productivity is defined as the efficiency by which resources like citizens, goods, and technology are used to offer services and add value for customers. Providing excellent customer service while reducing cost is an example of high productivity, which is the ability to accomplish more with fewer resources. Staff efficiency, improved techniques, effective use of technology, and resource management are important elements that affect productivity. Businesses may increase service quality, save waste, and boost overall operational performance by optimizing these areas, which will increase profitability. Organizations in tourism and hospitality sectors focus continuous enhancements efforts to increase efficiency. This includes adapting new technology to improve service delivery, causing process changes to reduce down on delays, and training programs to improve employee skills. In this industry, boosting productivity leads in higher revenue, more satisfied customers, and an advantage in a marketing that is constantly changing. Last one is Chapter 10, which is efficiency and effectiveness. Even though they focus on the various aspects of performance, effectiveness and efficiency are both essential in the travel and hospitality industry. Efficiently resources like time, money, and labor are used in achieving the objective is known as efficiency. It takes a strong focus on eliminating waste and unnecessary costs without sacrificing service quality to ensure that labor resources can be used throughout busy times without overloading during slow periods. An efficient hotel business could optimize staff scheduling. Businesses might boost revenue and save operating expenses while providing customers with an excellent experience by improving productivity. On the other hand, effectiveness focuses in achieving goals or outcomes no matter the resources used. This might involve achieving or exceeding customer demands in the tourism industry by delivering services on schedule, providing outstanding guest experiences, or sustaining high standards of quality. However, a company can be profitable without being highly effective. The most successful companies achieve an agreement among the two. Businesses in the tourism and hospitality industries can achieve excellent results, securing satisfied clients and utilizing resources for long-term success by focusing on both efficiency and effectiveness. And that was the end of my reflection in operation management.